Hello everyone. Our team has chosen the Ministry of Tourism's Smart India Hackathon problem statement, Smart Tourist Safety Monitoring and Incident Response using AI, blockchain, and geofencing. Here I present to you a prototype, a unified platform that showcases every required feature mapped directly to the SIH brief. The challenges are clear: fragmented emergency response, lack of secure digital identity, poor communication, and limited real time data for authorities. Our solution is a seamless mobile app and a powerful web dashboard designed to address every one of those needs with modern technology. Let's start with the mobile app, designed for tourists and built in Flutter for seamless experience. Tourists register with KYC details, Aadhaar or passport, trip itinerary, and emergency contacts. Our blockchain backend issues a secure digital ID visible as a QR code, valid only for the trip duration. This answers the need for tamper-proof identity and privacy as required in the problem statement. And here is the home page, is the Tourist Safety Hub. Here users can access emergency contacts, safety tips, and public health guidelines. Public pages provide information about local safety zones, nearby police station, and emergency procedures, empowering tourists to stay informed and safe as the brief requests. Our app uses a real-time location tracking and geofencing. When a tourist enters a high-risk or restricted zone, the app instantly sends an alert and updates their safety score based on the travel patterns and area sensitivity. The directly implements the geofencing and risk scoring features asked for. In case of distress, tourists can press the panic button. This shares their live location with the nearest police unit and emergency contacts, triggering an immediate response. The backend receives the alert via WebSocket, and the dashboard updates in real time, fulfilling the requirement for rapid emergency response. Tourists can opt in for real time tracking, allowing family members and law enforcement to monitor their location for added safety. This is an optional tracking feature for families, authorities mentioned in the statement. Multilingual support. Our app supports multiple languages. The app currently supports Hindi, English, and all other regional languages, making it usable for tourists from all backgrounds. Voice text emergency access is available for elderly or disabled travelers as required. All personal data is protected with end to end encryption and JWT authentication. Our blockchain ensures tamper proof identity and travel records, directly addressing the data privacy and security requirements. And here are some pages we have built for in our app. For example, you can report an incident while you are traveling so that it can go to a police dashboard and they can take an action. Whenever you report an incident, the incident is shared to all the people who are using the application within 5 km radius, with which the tourist can report an incident such as landslide, which all the nearby tourists or people should know about. And here are all the nearby incidents which are happening around you, so you can be careful. They are classified for low, medium, high, and critical incidents, which can be easily seen. Here is our AI safety detection model, which you can configure from here, which tells you how safe the area which you are currently in. Here is a smart chatbot with whom you can ask about your itinerary or your travel location to be careful of what things you would need. Here is our notification center to give you all the alerts regarding the weather, locations, what all things you should be careful or the nearby incidents. Here is our analytics for the application, the overall overview in the emergency, what is the response time of the police or ambulance in case of emergencies, how many locations has the app tracked, and the communities which are currently present in the app. Here is a community dashboard where you can travel, where you can chat with all the tourist members other than you who are traveling to the same location. And here are all the nearby places you can visit in the location you are currently in. So you can call or navigate to that hotel with all the prices verified. and all the attractions you can visit nearby your location, and where you can eat, and where you can go in case of emergencies.
Next, we begin with our web dashboard. It is built with Next.js and TypeScript. It is the command center for authorities, admins, and emergency operators. It's designed to be intuitive, secure, powerful, and just as the problem statement demands. Now, first we see the home page and the public pages. The dashboard's homepage provides a quick overview of system status, recent alerts, and public safety resources. Public pages like About, Help, Support, Contact, and Emergency are, are available to all the public. Now, public pages offer information for tourists and authorities, including safety tips, emergency contacts, and zone maps. This ensures everyone has access to critical information at all times as required. First, let us take a look of the home page. There are a lot of pages, a lot of public pages available. We also have the link to download our mobile app. Next, let us log in to the tourist dashboard. Here we are. We have here the login page shows you the five to six roles that we have defined for our website. Now, first, let us log in to the tourism dashboard. Here we are. Now, tourists can view their digital ID, trip details, safety score, and recent alerts. The dashboard displays their current location, risk zones nearby, and emergency contacts. Tourists can review their travel history, see geofencing alerts, and access multilingual help resources answering the need for self service and safety awareness. Here we can see a lot of features available on this dashboard, like the overview, tourist clusters, heat maps, visitor flows, and analytics. Now, we have also added the geofencing ink demo. Now, here the judges can instantly view how the geofencing engine demonstrates to tourists, alerts them, and while entering high-risk zones. This feature directly addresses the SIH requirement for real-time location-based safety and is designed for maximum accessibility during the demo. Next, let us go to the police dashboard. Here we are at the police dashboard. Now, this is the police command center. Police officers see real-time maps of tourist clusters, heat maps of high-risk zones, and live incident feeds. We have a lot of features like alerts, investigations, ID verification, locations, missing person, EFIR, and so on. Now, they can access digital ID records, view alert history, and track last known locations of tourists. Automated EFIR generation is available for missing person cases, streamlining investigations for the police. The police can respond to panic alerts, coordinate with emergency operators, and monitor zone entry or exit events, fulfilling every requirement for law enforcement in the brief. Next, let us go to our admin dashboard. Oh, okay, now we are here at our admin dashboard. Now, admins manage user accounts, configure system settings, and oversee the platform health. They have access to all the other dashboards and pages like alerts, analytics, location, communication, and many other advanced features. They can create, manage, and manage geofenced zones, set risk levels, configure automated alerts for entry, exit, and dwell time. Admins review analytics on tourist movement, incident trends, and system performance, making data-driven decisions for resource allocation. Here we can see system analytics, the analytic dashboard, which is powered by ML, and at the back end. Next, we can also see that the admin can access the blockchain data where we are storing all the digital IDs that have been generated and all the data related to the chain. Also, we have enforced that IPFS is used for all the information storage, for example, like Aadhaar and etc. Whatever important documents we are storing are blockchain verified and immutable, and the system is decentralized and highly secure. We can also see the alert system. Here, we can simulate alerts. Like for example, alerts. The admin can acknowledge, dispatch team, or call the tourist and send message and manage the alerts. High-level alerts can be filtered and responded to quickly. Government officials access high-level analytics, policy dashboards, and system-wide reports. They can view aggregated data on tourist safety. The dashboard supports integration with government APIs for Aadhaar, police, and healthcare systems, ensuring seamless coordination. Officials can monitor compliance with data protection laws and review blockchain audit logs for transparency, meeting the government's need for oversight and accountability. We can see other features like location tracking systems, and all the live tracking, geofences, nearby services. We have communication, the communication pages, which is powered by the WebSocket. We have a lot of advanced UI features as well, which are under future scope and development. Now, let us next navigate to our operator dashboard. Let us go to the operator dashboard. Okay, sorry for the network glitch. Now we are at the operator dashboard. Emergency operator dashboard. The emergency operators receive real-time alerts from tourists and police with instant access to location, incident type, and severity. They can dispatch resources, coordinate with police and government officials, and monitor resolution status. We can see there are a lot of features for the operators. This is the admin operators dashboard. This is the admin number. We can also access analytics, location, communication, and a lot more other features to manage tourists. Now, we can also see that operators have access to historical alert data, helping identify patterns and improve response strategies, answering the need for rapid, coordinated emergency responses. This is very efficient and a good strategy to manage the risk and incident response system. Now, totally, we've seen different user roles that we have established in our system for the prototype level. Now, all the dashboards feature multilingual support and accessibility options, ensuring usability for all stakeholders. Role-based access control ensures privacy data and security with blockchain-backed records and end-to-end encryption. Like on the admin dashboard, we've seen now here we are at the admin dashboard again. We've seen the blockchain admin page where all the blockchain data has been stored and can be accessed by the admin. Our platform is built on blockchain for digital identity and record immutability. Every tourist ID and travel record is securely stored and verified, preventing tampering and fraud. End-to-end encryption, JWT authentication, and role-based access ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data. All actions are logged and auditable, meeting the highest standards of government compliance. Our architecture is modular and scalable with a unified backend serving with mobile and web platforms. We use WebSocket for real-time communication, Supabase for secure data storage, and Ethereum or an IPFS for blockchain identity management. AML models are integrated for future anomaly detection, predictive risk scoring, and automated evidence logging, ensuring our platform is future ready. In summary, our smart tourist safety monitoring and incident response system is a comprehensive, innovative solution that directly answers every challenge in the SIH problem statement. The mobile app empowers tourists with real time safety, secure identity, and instant emergency response. The web dashboard gives authorities, admins, and operators the tools they need for real time monitoring, rapid response, and data driven decision making. Our use of blockchain ensures security and trust, while geofencing and real time alerts keep tourists safe. Multilingual support and accessibility features make the system inclusive for all. IoT integration and advanced AI are part of a future roadmap, ensuring the platform will continue to evolve. This is not just a prototype, it's a blueprint for nationwide tourist safety. Thank you for your time.